Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to edit your Mailchimp footer in 2025. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to create a mail, and here just click to the create mail, and then I will choose the basic layout because it is the free. As you can see, the template we have, and rewrite the few words. So I will click on basic layout. Once I click over here, then I will choose all of them from that place. Just click to the apply, and it will take a couple of minutes. So here we are going to edit the footer. So here, as you can see, we already logo, so we have these things. So here you just need to be select this one, the footer, and then select this one. Then just need to be add anything you want to add it here. So I'm going to add a word that will be subscribe. Subscribe our channel, and that's it. So in this way you can easily edit your footer. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was informative for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.